This is a generic LED bulb that has been given to me by a friend of mine. Size of this bulb is T10, which is mostly used as a parking light. This is a standard parking light bulb. It does the job, but it generates too much heat. These are designed for this type of bulb, but over time, the electrical socket might get toast or brittle. Here is a rubber cover. Just simply pull it to gain access to the parking light. There you can see the electrical socket of the parking light, which is a rubber piece. And here we have a standard T10 bulb. You can clean the terminals with an electrical cleaner if it is dirty and corroded. Insert the LED bulb. Test it and make sure it works. If it doesn't, remove the bulb, rotate it, and insert it. Just to remind that LED works on one-way polarity only. Before I return it to the headlight, I actually cleaned the lens of the LED bulb with a cloth and alcohol, just to remove oil marks from my hands. Make sure everything fits perfectly and secured. For me, it looks way better than before. It also feels better since it generates almost no heat at all. So there you have it. I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you very much for watching, and God bless.